Learning goals. Welcome to this learning session on subprograms, enhancing program development. In this course, we shall address understanding subprograms, built-in and library subprograms, abstraction and generalization, managing complexity, reusability, maintenance, facilitating collaborative development. There will be a quiz at the end to test your knowledge.
Introduction to subprograms. A subprogram is a self-contained block of code designed to perform a specific, well-defined task within a larger program. These modular units are fundamental to structured programming, allowing complex problems to be broken down into manageable pieces. They are often referred to as functions, procedures, or methods, depending on the programming language and context. Once written, a subprogram can be executed multiple times from different parts of the main program, or even from other subprograms, eliminating the need to rewrite the same code repeatedly. This reusability significantly reduces development time and potential errors. Subprograms can also be saved in libraries, making them accessible across various projects and by different developers. Key benefits of subprograms. Subprograms offer numerous advantages that streamline the software development process and improve code quality. They help in breaking down complex programs into smaller, more manageable parts, which are easier to code, test, and debug individually. This modular approach makes the overall program logic clearer and more comprehensible. Furthermore, subprograms promote code reusability, allowing developers to write a piece of code once and use it many times, thus avoiding unnecessary duplication. This adherence to the "don't repeat yourself" (DRI principle is a cornerstone of efficient programming. They also facilitate easier code maintenance, as modifications to a subprogram can be made without affecting other parts of the program, provided the interface remains consistent. Pre-existing subprograms. Built-in high-level programming languages come equipped with a variety of ready-made subprograms that perform common, essential tasks. These built-in functions are immediately available for use without any special setup or import statements, making them highly convenient for developers. They handle fundamental operations that are frequently required in almost any program. Examples include print, which displays output to the console, and len, which returns the number of items in an object, such as the number of characters in a string or elements in a list. These functions are optimized for performance and provide a consistent interface across different programs, simplifying basic programming tasks significantly. For instance, print hello outputs hello, and len world returns 5. Pre-existing subprograms. Libraries beyond built-in functions. Many high-level programming languages offer extensive libraries containing specialized subprograms for more complex tasks. These library functions are not automatically available and must be explicitly imported into a program before they can be used. This modular approach keeps the core language lean while providing powerful extensions on demand. For example, random.randint from the random library generates a random integer within a specified range, crucial for simulations or games. Similarly, math.floor from the math library rounds a number down to the nearest whole integer, essential for various mathematical computations. These libraries significantly expand a language's capabilities without burdening every program with unused code, allowing developers to import only what they need. While built-in and library subprograms are incredibly useful, programmers often need to create custom functions tailored to the unique requirements of their specific applications. These are known as U. While built-in and library subprograms are incredibly useful, programmers often need to create custom functions tailored to the unique requirements of their specific applications. These are known as user-defined subprograms, allowing developers to encapsulate any sequence of operations into a reusable block of code. This capability is central to building complex, custom software solutions. By defining their own subprograms, programmers gain full control over the logic and functionality, enabling them to implement highly specific algorithms or business rules. In Python, for instance, the def keyword is used to define a function, followed by the function name and parameters. This practice promotes code organization and makes large projects more manageable, as each custom task can be isolated and developed independently. Abstraction in programming design. Abstraction is a powerful principle in computer science, particularly facilitated by subprograms, that allows programmers to manage complexity by focusing on essential information while hiding unnecessary details. When using a subprogram, a developer only needs to know what it does and how to use it, not the intricate internal workings of how it achieves its task. This separation of concerns is vital for efficient design. This concept is analogous to driving a car. A driver interacts with pedals and a steering wheel, understanding their functions without needing to know the complex mechanics of the engine or transmission. Similarly, subprograms provide a black box interface, enabling programmers to design and use code at a higher level of conceptual understanding. This significantly speeds up development by preventing developers from getting bogged down in low-level implementation details at the outset. Generalization with parameters. Generalization is another key benefit of subprograms, achieved through the use of parameters. Parameters are special variables that act as placeholders for values that will be passed into a subprogram when it is called. This mechanism allows a single subprogram to perform the same task on different input values, making it highly flexible and adaptable. For example, a subprogram designed to calculate the area of a rectangle can be generalized by accepting length and width as parameters. Instead of writing separate subprograms for 5x10, 3x7, or 8x12 rectangles, one calculate area length width subprogram can handle all these cases. This significantly reduces redundant code and makes the program more robust and scalable, as it can easily adapt to new data without requiring code changes. Breaking down program complexity. One of the most significant advantages of using subprograms is their ability to break down a large, complex program into smaller, more manageable, and less complicated parts. This modular decomposition simplifies the development process immensely, as each subprogram can be developed and tested independently before being integrated into the larger system. This strategy is particularly effective for large-scale software projects. By dividing a program into logical subprograms, developers can focus on one specific task at a time, reducing cognitive load and the likelihood of errors. This approach also makes it easier to identify and isolate bugs, as issues can often be traced back to a particular subprogram. For example, a complex e-commerce application might have separate subprograms for user authentication, product catalog management, shopping cart operations, and payment processing, each handled by a dedicated module. Code reusability and libraries subprograms are instrumental in promoting code reusability, a cornerstone of efficient software development. By encapsulating common tasks into distinct subprograms, developers can avoid writing the same code multiple times across different parts of a program, or even in entirely separate projects. This not only saves time, but also reduces the potential for errors and inconsistencies. Furthermore, well-designed subprograms can be stored in libraries, which are collections of pre-compiled or pre-written code that can be easily imported and used by other programs. This practice allows developers to leverage existing solutions rather than reinventing the wheel for every new project. Popular programming languages like Python have vast ecosystems of libraries, such as NumPy for numerical computing or Pandas for data manipulation, which significantly accelerate development by providing robust, tested functionalities. Easier maintenance and debugging subprograms significantly simplify the maintenance and debugging phases of software development. Because each subprogram is a self-contained unit performing a specific task, any modifications or bug fixes can often be isolated to that particular subprogram without impacting the rest of the program. This reduces the risk of introducing new errors when making changes. If a bug is discovered, the modular structure allows developers to pinpoint the problematic subprogram more quickly, rather than sifting through thousands of lines of monolithic code. Once the bug is fixed in one subprogram, all instances where that subprogram is called automatically benefit from the correction. This centralized approach to fixing issues drastically cuts down on debugging time and ensures consistency across the application, leading to more stable and reliable software. Facilitating collaborative development subprograms are indispensable for facilitating collaborative development among teams of programmers. By breaking a large project into independent subprograms, different team members can work on separate parts of the code simultaneously without interfering with each other's progress. This parallel development significantly accelerates the overall project timeline. This modular approach aligns well with agile development methodologies, where teams often work in sprints to deliver functional increments of software. Each programmer can be assigned specific subprograms or modules, allowing them to focus their expertise and contribute efficiently. Version control systems further enhance this collaboration, enabling seamless integration of independently developed subprograms into the main codebase, making large-scale software projects feasible and efficient. Summary of subprogram benefits. In summary, subprograms are an essential construct in modern programming, offering a wide array of benefits that significantly enhance the software development lifecycle. They enable developers to break down complex problems into manageable units, making code easier to write, understand, and debug. This modularity is crucial for maintaining clarity and order in large codebases. Beyond simplifying complexity, subprograms drive efficiency through code reusability, allowing common tasks to be executed multiple times without duplication. They also facilitate easier maintenance and debugging by isolating changes and fixes to specific components. Furthermore, subprograms are fundamental to collaborative development, empowering teams to work in parallel and integrate their contributions seamlessly, ultimately leading to more robust, scalable, and maintainable software solutions.
Summary. Well done, you have completed the course Subprograms Enhancing Program Development. You should now be familiar with understanding subprograms, built-in and library subprograms, abstraction and generalization, managing complexity, reusability, maintenance, facilitating collaborative development. Should you need to revisit any of the topics in this course, please use the menu at the bottom of the screen.